Okay, this is Check Engine Wife, and I'm gonna show you how to cook shrimp. So then I put whatever it is. I put it in there, and then I get the water, and I got the water boiling. I wait until the water is it's hot because smoke coming up. So then
it's not boiling.
Well, it's not boiling yet. But I do know that much. You're going to wait until your water boils. Do not just put your shrimp inside of cold water or your panini nasta pasta. So then, trying to figure out, babe.
Uncle Tony, baby.
And then I put Uncle Tony inside of the boiling water. Thank you. So once it boils, then I come back with the finished product. Okay, it's me again, Check Engine Wife. Not only do I check engines or, help you check engines in the cars to make sure everything's running properly, but I also cook. So the water has gotten hot and it's boiling, and I just throw, oh my gosh, I throw these out. I throw these in. So I throw them in, and once you throw them in, just make sure it doesn't splatter on you. Then look at it boil. So then I throw these in because the water is hot, like that. So once I do that, then I get something to stir it up with. So my daughter is about to give me something so I can stir it up with. Thank you. So I stir this around like this to make sure it's fluffy. Then I get something else to stir the panini. So I go like this. And you have this cook for 10 minutes. And I'll be right back to show you the finished product. Okay, and this is the finished result of Check Engine Wife, along with my daughter, cooking shrimp Alfredo. Then we got to put it in the oven for a couple of minutes so it can brown. Thank you. This is what it looks like after it has been in the oven for a couple of minutes, in which me and my daughter, well, my daughter actually put it in the oven and she put the cheese on top of it. So all credit goes to her. Okay, like, share, subscribe to the channel.